Hi guys, I want to unbox my Kawa, mobile Kawa. This is the old one. I have iPhone. This is the old Kawa. I want throughout through this is I bought new one. Okay, now I want to, is it correct? Yes, yeah. Okay. Okay. I bought this today. Okay, I want to, how can I open it? It's nice. Oh, it has like this as well. Oh, that's very good. Like this. Okay. Now I want to throw out. This is gone, and this is I need to put out. Okay, now is the okay, good. Now, okay, this is my new one. Just this is not good, maybe because if I put in my pocket, it's thick in my pocket, but it's okay, no problem. But it's good for if I do like this. It's okay, good. I like that. That's why. Okay. Okay. Now I want to move away. Okay. This is my old one. Okay, now this is my garden. Nice garden. This is our neighbor. Okay, we have the fruit. Look, this is fruit. I don't know, maybe orange, I don't know what's the name, or lemon, maybe lemon. I think it's lemon. And also we have a lot of flower and many.
Hello.
Look, we have a lot of flower. Different yellow and purple and different color. Oh, this is our airplane. Okay, this is my garden. This is our car park, and my okay. There are. How can I go? It's the flower. Everything has come on my way, and they come on me. The this is another door. Mm. The night. This is lamp. Our very. We have nice garden. I love because the garden is beautiful. The trees, the many flower, many things. Okay, now I want to put. This is I want to put it out. I want to put the. This is our car park. I want to put the cover, my mobile of cover. This is the rubbish. This is recycling bin. This is the recycling because it's not the waste one. The household. This is I need to put here. Yeah, because it's recycling, not household, and that's why. Okay, guys, thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking, many things.